Welcome to 2671 Sawmill Green Drive in Powell, Ohio. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo located conveniently off of Sawmill Parkway. This condominium has brand new carpet, neutral color scheme throughout, with a 1-car attached garage and finished basement. This condominium sits on a back corner lot with great space for grilling and entertaining friends. As we make our way in the lower level, it has a gas fireplace, a half bath, as well as access to your washer and dryer. The guest bedroom has ample closet space and a ceiling fan with its own private full bath with a stand-up shower. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet, cathedral-style ceilings, and its own private master bath. For a showing of this property, contact Century 21 Sunway Realty and Ask Property Group at 614-504-0084 or visit us on the World Wide Web at www.askpropertygroup.com.